Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about point-slope form. This is the general idea of it here. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So let's discuss what each of these are. X and y, my standard x and y's, that's my input, that's my output. What are y1 and x1 though? And these are in subscripts. So x1 and y1 represent the point that you're going to put into point-slope form. And then once again, m represents the slope. So you take this, you take your slope, you take the point that you have, you put it in here, and you're off to the races to find a line in slope-intercept form to find an equation for the function. So what I'm going to be using is a slope of 2 and a point of 2,5 as an example. Just for continuity, this is going to actually yield the same function that was in the graphing functions video. So if you know how to graph that, there you go. Here, so I'm going to take you through the example and kind of show the process. So y, I can leave that, minus y1. So I'm going to put parentheses around it. My y1 is 5. And that's going to equal m, which is 2 times x, minus my x1. I'm going to put parentheses around here, 2. And close my parentheses. So now I have what's going on here. I got from here to here with this information right here for my point. Now, sometimes you may be asked to source this from a line, and you have to pick a point off of that line if you're just looking at a graph. So understand that you may have to be able to do that. So now I'm going to solve this a little bit. So I'm going to have 2x minus 4 equals y minus 5. So I'm stuck here. Still not in y-intercept form yet, or slope-intercept form yet, but pretty close. So all we have to do is get y by itself over here, and then everything else over here, and we'll be in slope-intercept form. So to do that, we're just going to add 5 simply to both sides. So by adding 5 to both sides, we get y equals 2x plus 1. And that's the beauty and simplicity of point-slope form. If you have point and you have a slope, you can get it. If you have a graph and you can find slope or find a point, then there you go as well. But that's basically how to use point-slope form. You use this, you put in your numbers where you need it, and it comes up with your equation. Some things to look in here for. Usually what happens every time is the slope is put into here, and then this x is multiplied by over here, and you undo that by having the y point over here, and that takes care of finding your y-intercept. So that's the basics of slope-intercept form. Thanks for watching.